Battling a cough or sore throat? Let's whip up a soothing onion syrup with ingredients from your kitchen. Bookmark this for those unexpected sick days. It's a game changer. You'll need 1 large onion, honey or sugar, and a jar. First, slice the onion into thin rings. Layer the onion rings and honey alternately in the jar. Let it sit overnight. The onion and honey will create a syrupy blend. In the morning, strain the syrup into a clean jar. Take a spoonful as needed to ease your cough or soothe your throat. This syrup is a simple and effective way to harness the healing powers of onions. Tried any homemade remedies like this? Share your experiences in the comments.